Today I'm going to install a new fill valve and flapper kit. First, I watched the product video to see how the installation was not going to work. Exactly. Okay, got it. The second thing to do is read the instructions. Turn off the water supply. Now remove the tank lid to get started. Take a pencil and mark the water level in the tank. Now let's install the new flapper. With the water supply turned off, flush the toilet. Now that most of the water is out of the tank, reach in and remove the old flapper. Take a paper towel and wipe around the inside of the ring to remove any debris. This will make sure that you get a good seal with the new flapper. Now install the new flapper. Make certain to install it in the reverse order used to remove the old one. Be certain that you have adequate tension in the chain. Now turn on the water supply and let the tank fill. It should stop near the line you drew in the tank earlier. Now pull the water supply valve to close it and flush again. Place a basin under the water supply and fill valve. Now remove the water supply line from the bottom of the tank. Remove the hose in the tank. Now sponge out most of the excess water, if you can. Okay, here is the fun part. Remove the old mounting nut under the tank to release the old fill valve. Yeah. So, the plastic mounting nut was frozen in place. I took a hacksaw blade and cut through it to remove it. Take the new fill valve and turn the bottom counterclockwise while pulling down on the valve to extend it. Place it in the tank hole where the old one was removed from. I broke the top part off with my hands. Don't do this. Saw off the frozen nut first. Align the bottom of the silver housing with the top of the white tube in the tank. Once you are sure of the height, remove the fill valve and twist clockwise to lock it in place at that height. Now reinstall the new locked fill valve in the hole in the tank at a 45-degree angle. Take the new mounting nut with the beveled side facing upward toward the bottom of the tank and hand tighten it onto the underside of the new fill valve. Reattach the water supply hose to the new fill valve. Now connect the black tubing to the silver clip and mount onto the flush valve. You will need to mount the other end to the fill valve. Suggestion: warm the end with a hairdryer and it will slip onto the fill valve like a sock on a foot. If you discover that the hose is too long, simply cut off 1 to 2 inches as needed to avoid crimping or exceeding the bend radius so that you can properly close the tank. Restart the water supply, allowing the tank to fill. And now flush, and if the water levels are good, enjoy the go.